Record. So, for many years, I've lusted after these guitars built by Emerald in Ireland. They're solid carbon fibre, beautiful things. Mind you, I've only ever seen photos, but their photos are beautiful. So, in July this year, Emerald had a 25th anniversary, and they reduced their prices. And for the first time ever, it was possible for me to buy one of these things. Now, Emerald, of course, wouldn't know this, but it just so happens that July is my birthday as well. So from my point of view, Alastair, thanks very much for a birthday present. You've bought me a birthday present. You've made it possible for me to buy one of your guitars. And I thank you very much for that. I've been looking forward to opening this for some time. It's the guitar that I bought is, you know, I would spend quite a long time at times on their guitar builder, building my dream guitar, and when the opportunity came to buy one, they just happened to have exactly what I'd been designing all that time off the shelf. So yeah, I have really been looking forward to opening this up. So without further ado, let me do the honours. And put that away. And get rid of all the packaging. And the first thing that comes out, of course, is another thing that Emerald wouldn't know is that my wife happens to be a potter, so she's very much into ceramics and very much into everything Irish. I know what this is, and she will be ecstatic, I think. As I thought. A beautiful, who's it made by? Moville Pottery, made in Ireland. Lovely emerald mug. And I better put that somewhere safe, otherwise I'll destroy it. Which I'm sure will come in very handy. It may be used for holding stronger beverages than tea and coffee, particularly today. And then the most important bit, kind of hard to do sitting down. Excuse me while I stand up. Oh. There we go, can you see that? Oh, yes, I think that's on camera. A gorgeous emerald guitar travel case. This is, most of you won't know, guitar is a Model X7, which is a smaller guitar, solid carbon fibre, which is perfect for around here. And oh my God, that is as beautiful in real life as they are in the photos. Look at that. That is incredible. That is just beautiful. I'll put this case out of the way for the moment. Look at that. So light. It's all one-piece carbon fibre. Quilted maple on the front, sunburst. All my guitars are sunburst, so as it happens. And what have I done with it? Oh no, oh there it is. The important thing, how does it sound? If I clip that on there. Oh, look at that. All the way from Ireland. And it's halfway across the planet, and it's almost in tune. Haven't got a pick. Oh no.
Fundamentally.
That sounds so great. The sound coming out of there. Oh man. The action is beautiful. Lovely. Now for the real challenge. Put a capo on and see how well it keeps tuning. The fretboard is probably a little bit wider than I'm used to. Look at that lovely inlay work. Celtic knots, oh sorry, Celtic vine with Celtic knot on the 12th fret. Beautiful, just a lovely piece of work. I'm going to have fun with this. That'll do.